probably feeling a little bit nervous right now, but don't worry. Every astronaut has felt that way at one time or another. Even the heroes who went to the moon. But there is one thing that they have that you don't have. Training. Right now, at NASA and ISTC facilities around the world, future astronauts are learning how to live and work in space. But you're here today for flight training, the most thrilling experience that any astronaut candidate will ever have. Before you decide if it's right for you, let me introduce you to your spacecraft. The X-2 Deep Space Shuttle. It's powered by solid hydrogen and can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. So when you hear the words, "go for launch," you'll definitely want to hang on. Now, you've already been organized into teams, and soon each of you will be assigned a position. Navigator, pilot, commander, or engineer. And the success of your mission will depend on all of you working together as a team. I'll be your captain, and in a few minutes I'll give all of you specific assignments. But first, our flight director has some safety instructions for you. Lieutenant?
Remember the team number you're standing on. When the doors in front of you open, you will be directed to a flight station with that number on it. When you get there, please stand on the circles.
Whatever you...
During your Green Team less intense training mission, you will be enclosed inside an X-2 flight trainer that produces the sensation of a flight through space. Those who are made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces or simulators should bypass this experience.
As you can see, astronaut flight training isn't like anything you've ever experienced before. It is intense. And if you would like to opt out, you can sign up for mission control training in the advanced training lab. Just ask any member of the ISTC crew for directions. As for the rest of you, report for your pre-flight briefing. It's go time.
Proceed with dispatch. Engineering, all systems operational. Affirmative. Aegis level across the board. Confirm carburetor check. Roger. Holding. And carburetor check complete. All lines are open. Next radio check will be at 0800 hours. Scan all flight stations.
Cross the training. I'm going to start with Team 4, followed by 3, 2, and 1. Okay, Team 4. Team 2, all set?
Yes, ma'am.
Attention trainees. If you are made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces or simulators, you may exit the flight training area now. Ask a uniformed crew member for directions.
Next of us, I want to go to the bathroom.
Okay.
Attention trainees. If you are made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces or simulators, you may exit the flight training area now. Ask a uniformed crew member for directions.
Why, they gave you a hard time at security?
No.
Was me, he let go right away.
Okay.
Congratulations, team. You've been selected to train for an elite mission. The first mission to Mars. Robotic teams have already established your landing site here at the North Polar Cap. Your mission is to get to that site. Your flight path to Mars will take you around the moon for a lunar gravity assist. But even with that slingshot assist, your trip will take 3 months, so we'll have to put you into hypersleep.
Hypersleep activated.
Don't worry, it'll only seem like a second or two to you. I'll give you a wake-up call when you get to Mars.
T-minus 3 minutes and counting.
Okay, now listen up. Here are your assignments. Navigator, you'll fire the thrusters for lunar orbit insertion and for descent to the surface of Mars. Pilot, on my signal, I'll need you to trigger the second stage rocket and also deploy the shields. Commander, you'll be responsible for first stage separation and activating manual control for landing. Engineer, when it's bedtime, you'll activate hypersleep. You'll also extend the wings for landing. Don't worry. When it's time to push the buttons, they'll light up. Then I'll give you the go. One last thing. In the event of an emergency landing, there are control sticks in every crew position. Okay, Lieutenant. Any final instructions for the new kids?
When the flight bay doors open, follow the markings on the floor to your capsule. Then move all the way across, taking your crew positions in the cockpit, and stow all personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach up and pull down your restraint. They're all yours, Capcom.
Well, I guess that's everything. Good luck, Mars team. You are on the clock.
Hold for final checkout. Flight control, what is your status? All trainers ready for team ingress.
Attention trainees. Follow the... Store personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach up and pull down on the restraints.
Capcom to Mars X2. Welcome aboard, team. After you get settled, check out your buttons. Navigator, welcome aboard. Now remember, during the mission, you'll be initiating lunar orbit and descent.
Loading flight plan.
Pilot, the X2 is an excellent ship. All you have to do is fire the second stage and deploy the shield. Surgeon, how are we doing?
Commander's pulse rate is a little high.
Commander, everything's A-OK.
Gotta
Just
push up on your
concentrate
restraints, making
on
sure
your
it's locked. Everyone
assignment,
push up,
first
please.
stage steps, and
Warning.
manual control.
Instrument panel closing. If needed, space sickness
Engineer,
pads are located on the
Just a
instrument
reminder,
panel.
you'll activate hypersleep and extend the wings.
Good waiting pickup from the Mars X2. Good to go.
Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control are proud to be a part of this historic liftoff of the first mission to Mars.
Mission control, middle to firing room. Give us the go for launch. Go.
Surgeon, Mobile Network.
Go for it.
You are go for launch.
We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mission Control to Mars X2. You are go and throttle up. Commander, initiate first stage separation now.
Computer override initiated. 0G confirmed.
You're looking good, team. Pilot, engage second stage rocket now.
Engaged. Velocity 15,000, 16,000,
You should have visual of the space station now, and you are on course for your slingshot around the moon. Navigator, fire rockets for lunar orbit insertion now.
LOI confirmed.
advised.
Proximity alert.
Pilot, deploy the shield now.
Shields deployed.
Hang on, team. We're getting you out of there right now. Navigator, fire rockets for descent now.
Rockets fired. 200 miles to planet surface.
Engineer, extend wings for gliding now.
Extended. Initiating auto landing sequence.
We lost autopilot.